Who was the founder of Chola Empire? Option A. Rajaraja Chola, B. Vijayalaya Chola, C. Rajendra Chola, D. Kulothunga Chola. The right answer option B. Vijayalaya Chola. Question number 2. Which is the capital of Chola Empire? Option A. Madurai, B. Pumbuhar, C. Tanjavur, D. Urayur. The right answer option C. Tanjavur. Question number 3. What was the oldest capital of Cholas? Option A. Urayur, B. Pumbuhar, C. Tanjavur, D. Madurai. The right answer option A. Urayur. Question number 4. Who is known as Napoleon of South India? Option A. Karigal Chola, B. Rajendra Chola, C. Rajaraja Chola, D. Parandaka Chola. The right answer option B. Rajendra Chola. Question number 5. Which is the most famous port in Chola Empire? Option A. Pumbuhar, B. Korkai, C. Musiri, D. Tondi. The right answer option A. Pumbuhar. Question number 6. Who built the Pragadiswarar temple in Tanjavur? Options A. Rajendra Chola 1, B. Vijayalaya Chola, C. Rajaraja Chola 1, D. Aditya Chola. The right answer option C. Rajaraja Chola 1. Question number 7. The main feature of Chola temples are option A. Koburam, B. Mandapa, C. Rathas, D. Vimana. The right answer option D. Vimana. Question number 8. Who built the Gangaikonda Solapuram? Option A. Rajendra Chola 1, B. Karigal Chola, C. Arinjaya Chola, D. Sundara Chola. The right answer option A. Rajendra Chola 1. Question number 9. Which Chola king founded the city of Puhar? Option A. Rajendra Chola 1, B. Karigal Chola, C. Rajadi Raja Chola, D. Vikrama Chola. The right answer option B. Karigal Chola. Question number 10. The first Indian ruler who established the supremacy of Indian Navy in the Arabian Sea was option A. Rajaraja 1, B. Rajendra 1, C. Rajadi Raja 1, D. Kulothunga 1. The right answer option A. Rajaraja 1. Question number 11. The lowest unit of Chola administration was the options A. Valanadu, B. Kottam, C. Kuram, D. Mandalam. The right answer option C. Kuram. Question number 12. Who captured Madurai from the Pandyas? Option A. Rajaraja 1, B. Rajendra 1, C. Parandaka 1, D. Kulothunga 1. The right answer option C. Parandaka 1. Question number 13. The Chola king who brought half of Ceylon under his control. Option A. Rajendra, B. Kulothunga 1, C. Rajaraja 1, D. Rajadi Raja. The right answer option C. Rajaraja 1. Question number 14. Who was the grandson of Vijayalaya? Option A. Parandaka 1, B. Kulothunga 1, C. Rajaraja 1, D. Rajadi Raja. The right answer option A. Parandaka 1. Question number 15. Whose period is referred as a golden age of Cholas? Option A. Rajaraja Chola, B. Rajendra Chola, C. Aditya Chola, D. Vijayalaya Chola. The right answer option B. Rajendra Chola. Question number 16. Who got the title Pandita Chola? Option A. Vikrama Chola, B. Adi Rajendra Chola, C. Rajadi Raja Chola, D. Rajendra Chola 1. The right answer option D. Rajendra Chola 1. Question number 17. Rajadi Raja 1 was killed in the battle of option A. Manimangalam, B. Koppam, C. Takkolam, D. Pallalur. The right answer option B. Koppam. Question number 18. The heartland of the Cholas was the fertile valley of dash. Option A Kaveri river, B Vaigai river, C Ponni river, D Narmada river. The right answer option A Kaveri river. Question number 19. Who constructed dam across Kaveri river? Option A Karigal Chola, B Sundara Chola, C Uttama Chola, D Parandaka Chola. The right answer option A Karigal Chola. Question number 20. Who built a new city called Kaveri Patnam? Option A Adi Rajendra, B Karigalan, C Kulotunga, D Aditya. The right answer option B Karigalan. Question number 21. Who was the last Pallava ruler defeated by the Chola ruler Aditya? Option A Simhavarma, B Narasimhavarma, C Mahendra Varma, D Aparajita Varma. The right answer option D Aparajita Varma. Question number 22. The Chola kingdom was divided into option A Mandalam, B Nadus, C Kuram, D Gramam. The right answer option A Mandalam. Question number 23. What was the official language of Chola dynasty? Option A Tamil, B Telugu, C Malayalam, D Sanskrit. The right answer option A Tamil. Who destroyed the Chera navy at Kadalur? Option A Rajendra II, B Vikrama Chola, C Rajaraja I, D Kulotunga II. The right answer option C Rajaraja I. Question number 25. Who was the last Chola ruler? Option A Rajendra Chola III, B Kulotunga Chola III, C Rajaraja Chola III, D Adi Rajendra Chola. The right answer option A Rajendra Chola III. Question number 26. The silver coin of Uttama Chola was found in option A Kalinga, B Sri Lanka, C Malaysia, D Vengi. The right answer option B Sri Lanka. Question number 27. Who defeated the king Aparajita? Option A Rajaraja I, B Aditya I, C Rajendra I, D Vikrama. The right answer option B Aditya I. Question number 28. Uttarameruru inscription issued by option A Vijayalaya Chola, B Rajendra Chola, C Rajaraja Chola, D Parandaka Chola. The right answer option D Parandaka Chola. Question number 29. Who named northern part of Sri Lanka as Mummadikonda Sola Mandalam? Option A Rajendra Chola, B Rajaraja I, C Kulotunga Chola, D Uttama Chola. The right answer option B Rajaraja I. Question number 30. Who defeated Mahibala I of Bengal? Option A Rajendra Chola I, B Rajaraja I, C Parandaka Chola I, D Kulotunga Chola I. The right answer option A Rajendra Chola I. Question number 31. Who took the title Paragesari Varman? Option A Vijayalaya Chola, B Rajaraja I, C Parandaka Chola I, D Kulotunga Chola I. The right answer option A Vijayalaya Chola. Question number 32. Who was referred as Arikesari? Option A Vijayalaya Chola, B Arinjaya Chola, C Sundara Chola, D Uttama Chola. The right answer option B Arinjaya Chola. Question number 33. Who earned the title Jayam Konda Cholan? Option A Rajendra Chola, B Arinjaya Chola, C Rajadi Raja Chola, D Kulotunga Chola. The right answer option C Rajadi Raja Chola. Who wrote the poem Kalingattu Parani? Option A Sundarar, B Jayam Kondar, C Appar, D Sambandar. The right answer B Jayam Kondar. Question number 35. Which Chola ruler built a Soliswara temple in Pudukottai? Option A Vijayalaya Chola, B Aditya Chola, C Sundara Chola, D Vikrama Chola. Right answer option A Vijayalaya Chola. Question number 36. Which Chola ruler captured Kanchi defeating Pallavas? Option A Parantaka 1, B Rajaraja 1, C Rajendra 1, D Aditya 1. The right answer option D Aditya 1. Question number 37. The city of Madurai was known as option A Tamil Kudal, B Tamil Sankam, C Tamil Peravai, D Tamil Kudam. The right answer option A Tamil Kudal. Question number 38. The Chera king who was defeated by Rajaraja Chola 1. Options A Ravivarma, B Nedumcheraladan, C Bhaskara Ravivarman, D Ramavarma Kulasekhara. The right answer option C Bhaskara Ravivarman. Question number 39. Bronze statue from which period are very famous? Option A Cholas, B Pandyas, C Cheras, D Pallavas. The right answer option A Cholas. Question number 40. Who was called Sungam Tavirtha Cholan? Option A Rajaraja 1, B Kulothunga 1, C Rajendra 1, D Aditya 1. The right answer option B Kulothunga 1.